Alright, in this video we are going to be looking at the tablet options for Windows. So as you can see here, there's not many options, and just so you know, again, I'm working off a desktop, so you may see slightly different options if you truly have a tablet. But the basic settings are here, so when you sign in, normally depending on what you have, you'll say use the appropriate mode for my hardware. Again, this is only going to apply if you have like a laptop with touchscreen or you're actually working off a Windows tablet. If you're on a Windows desktop, more than likely you'll never bother with these settings. But essentially what you have here is you can tell it when you sign in to automatically go to tablet mode or desktop mode, or have it auto detect. So for example, if you have a hybrid device like a 2-in-1 that can be used as a quote-unquote desktop or a tablet, you'll probably want to do the appropriate mode, because depending on, say, if your screen flips around or goes up or down, and if it's in a certain position, if it automatically makes it like a tablet mode, you'll want to kind of use the appropriate mode. And then when the device if the device automatically will switch, you have some choices here to don't ask me and don't switch. So you want to keep it whatever mode you had it in. If you wanted to ask, which I would probably recommend in case you accidentally activate tablet mode and didn't want to, or you can choose it if you're going to put it in a certain position and want it to automatically switch. Just tell it don't ask, and then just always switch. And here you have a couple options for when you are in the tablet mode. So you can choose to hide app icons on the taskbar when in tablet mode, or you can automatically hide the taskbar when in tablet mode. And this is obviously to help prevent especially if you got like the touchscreen or you're using the pen, so you don't accidentally hit something, maybe launch something. Whereas if you're moving a mouse, whatever, it's a little easier to see where it is versus when you're touching or using the stylus to move around the screen. Wherever you tap, it's gonna take some action versus if you just have a regular mouse like I do here on the desktop and just slide over. So long as I'm not clicking the mouse, nothing's going to happen. So that is basically it for the tablet mode settings. In our next video, we will look at the multitasking features of Windows.